Okay, so what we are going to do today is a fog lamp bulb replacement uh, on a VW Polo. It's not actually an upgrade because we are already running a LED setup. So I'm just upgrading my bulbs to a better bulbs. So what you need for this job is a T30 bit. This is a T30 and a small ratchet or a handle or driver, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to tell you what's the exact process. We need to open the headlamps. The first thing is we need to remove this electrical connector. You can see it, this one. You have to press this tab or pull this tab or press this tab. You can see it's moving. Apply a little force on it and pull it backwards. It's not going to be easy. It's going to be a little difficult. You have to put a lot of force. So firstly we'll remove this electrical connector. The reason being because the dust gets collected inside the connector and the connecting surface, and it creates a lot of friction. So next thing is most important, that you need to tighten down this alignment, you can call it a spacer or whatever you want to call it, because this is the thing which is keeping your headlight at the proper level from the factory. So tighten this thing down, so that it doesn't move at all. First thing, we're going to tighten this down, and then we have to remove two screws which are T30, this one and this one. And keep in mind, these two headlight screws are T30 and this one alignment screw is T25. Don't over tighten it because it's a plastic clip, it can break. So just tighten it enough so that it stays in its position. And then we'll remove these T30s. So T30 is removed. As we can see, our headlight has started to move now. So next thing is you have to push your headlight by one hand from the behind and keep one hand in front of it so it doesn't fall off, because there are no screws or bolts at the bottom. It is just held by two you can say locks, plastic locks. So I'm gonna keep the camera aside and do this thing for you. Now your complete headlight unit is out. You have easy access to the fog lamps. Not that easy. Headlights is held by these type of clips at the bottom. So from here we can actually observe the fog lamp connector. Let me turn the flashlight on first. There is a old fog lamp bulb, that blue thing you can see down there. We just have to rotate it counterclockwise to remove it. So we'll remove the bulb first and then the electrical connector. If you have the halogen setup, you have to firstly remove the electrical connection, and I'll tell you exactly how to do that once the bulb is out. As we can see, this is my old bulb, and this is the actual connector of the fog lamp. You have to press this tab and pull the connector out from the halogen setup. So now I'm gonna replace the bulb unit with a upgraded bulb set, and will explain you one more detail how you should actually place the LED setup in a reflector so that it gives you the most amount of light. And this connector is a H8 or H11 connector. we say it H8 slash H11 because they both are reversible. The only thing that differs is the polarity, so you have to flip your bulb around if you are using a LED setup, because LED is quite sensitive to the polarity. Halogens are not. If you are using halogens, you don't need to worry about this thing. And the tip I told you about is in the final position of the LED bulb, the chipset of the LED should face horizontally. So means there are chips on this side, it should face in parallel with the ground, not upwards and downwards, because in that sense you will waste most of the light. And this is the setup in the LEDs which will provide you with the maximum usable light. Before installing everything back on, give it a check that everything working, and our video I guess ends here. After installing the fog lamp, check it once and place everything back again on its position the same way we removed it, just in the reverse order, and connect the electrical connector